outside Bakshi Stadium, which is the main venue for the Republic Day celebrations in the Kashmir Valley. And as you can see, the security has been beefed up. Every vehicle that is coming from this side is being stopped, frisked, and the identity of the people is being checked. Now, these are the kind of heightened security measures we saw across Srinagar, especially at critical entry and exit points, where everywhere these outposts have been created. CRPF, police, other belt forces with the help of intelligences trying to ensure that they give foolproof security to the venue, and also ensure that the build-up to 26 Jan is peaceful. Now, every year during this time, be it 15th of August or 26th of Jan, there is heightened activity, and there are alerts from intelligences that the militants will try to do something, try to show their presence, come and do something which will obviously disturb the peaceful environment. So just to ensure that that does not happen, these measures are being taken. And as I said, all entry and exit routes, you'll find similar security, 3-tier security around Republic Day function venues, and then you have aerial surveillance, all steps taken to ensure that the build-up to 26 Jan is peaceful and no one is allowed to really disturb the peaceful environment. With Campus and Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.